What's up everyone, I'm James and welcome back to OpenMoreToys. Today on OMT, a lot of you have requested Moofia blind boxes. So what I did was make a Moofia giant surprise egg. So my giant surprise egg is completely made out of Play-Doh. And inside, as you can hear, there's a bunch of Tokidoki surprises, including a Moofia box. I'm pretty happy with how this giant surprise egg turned out. I think it looks pretty close to what the box artwork looks like. So if you like my giant surprise egg, write Moofia in the comments. Alright, it's time to open up our surprise egg. Let's peel back the Play-Doh and see all the Tokidoki surprises we have inside. So right there we can see that there's a Moofia box inside. And right here we can see that we have a Donutella box inside as well. So some of these boxes, like the Unicorno boxes, I was able to find at stores like Barnes & Noble, but the rest of the stuff was pretty hard to find. You either had to buy it on Amazon or eBay. I actually found and ordered most of my stuff straight from the Tokidoki site. And Tokidoki was nice enough to send me some stickers and hairpins, which are inside the egg right now. Well, since our giant surprise egg was shaped like a Moofia box, I think we should open up the Moofia surprise box first. I absolutely love all the artwork on all the Tokidoki products. They have like an original look to them, especially these Moofia characters. So it's pretty neat that we open up the box just like you would a normal milk carton. And it looks like we got strawberry milk. She's pretty cute. She has little hearts where her cheeks are. And on the back it has a "Have you seen me?" Can anybody tell me what the name of this character is? And here's one of the two stickers that Tokidoki sent me. The first one is this little pink cactus puppy. And the second sticker they sent me was a little Donutella character. And another freebie that they sent me were these hair clips, which are great because my daughter goes through hair clips like 2 or 3 a day. She loses them all the time. So we can never have enough around the house. And they're in shapes of the Tokidoki logo, the little crossbones with a heart. Alright, our next surprise box is going to be this Cactus Kitties blind box. And with all the artwork on the box, it shows you basically a picture of all the different Cactus Kitties that you can collect. Alright, our first Cactus Kitty is, whoops, I dropped something there. Let's pick that up. So each Cactus Kitty comes with a little accessory, and our first Cactus Kitty is Snoop Kitty. And Snoop Kitty comes with a little accessory that's a little bag of catnip. And I think we all know how much kitties love catnip. Alright, our next blind box is another item that some of you have been requesting. It's a Unicorno Series 2 blind box. And what's neat on this blind box is that on the side it gives you the names of all the different Unicornos that you can collect. Alright, our first Unicorno is this little zebra striped one. And I really like how they added the little red stripes and the logo right there. It gives a little variation than just a black and white zebra. But again, this is a Unicorno, I guess, without a unicorn. And his name is Zamba. Alright, let's open up this Donutella box. What's neat about this is it doesn't come with like a hard toy like the other boxes do. This comes with a mini plush toy. Alright, our first Donutella character is this little donut flower, and her name is Sprinklets. Just opening and playing with this toy actually really makes me want a donut right now. Alright, our second to last blind box is this Punkstar Frenzies. And just from the artwork on the box, it looks like there's a lot of different characters that we can collect in here. So, if you want me to open up more Punkstar Frenzies, then give me a big thumbs up on this video and say Punkstar in the video, and I'll know that I should open up some more. Oh, how awesome. We got this little kitty, this little punk rocking kitty, riding a skateboard. And this kitty's name is Rolly. And Rolly totally has the punk look going on. Little mohawk, and is that like a wristband on her tail there? Totally rocking. Alright, it's time to open up our very last surprise box. And our last surprise box, which I think for the artwork on the box is the coolest, this is Royal Pride. And I love the fact that these Royal Pride boxes look like little subway carts. You know, it gets the graffiti on the sign and all the dangerous characters that you might find on a subway. I really love the artwork. So when we go ahead and open up this box, we're going to be very careful not to like rip open the edges and things like that, because I think we're going to save these. And I think the more I open them up, I'm just going to kind of connect them and make them look like a little train. Alright, our first character from Royal Pride is Buck. And Buck is wielding some, looks like some nunchucks. Wow, pretty dangerous character. I wonder who would win in a nunchuck fight, Michelangelo from the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles or Buck here. You know, I'm gonna have to go with Mikey. And this is definitely one of the bigger toys from Tokidoki. Let's do a little size comparison here next to the Moofia toy. You can see that he's about an inch bigger than the Moofia toy. Oh, and just from moving him right there, I just found out that he has movable arms, so give him a slightly different pose. That's neat. Alright, that's all our surprise and blind boxes today. If you like this video, then give me a big thumbs up down below. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Leave a comment on what other toys you might want to see or other blind boxes. And if you like this video, then click here to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my future videos. That's all the time today we have on OMT. Thanks for watching. See you next time.